Not much of a falls.
We're here in Georgia.
Hiking down hundreds of stairs
For that.
for this.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience.
The worst part about hiking downstairs, it's pretty easy, it's not bad. You have to hike back.
But we're at Black Rock Mountain
Yes.
State Park
I was like, there's a lot of words in the before the state park part.
in Georgia. We got in yesterday.
Set up camp, started to make a fire with wet wood.
Yeah. I didn't know it was wet when I bought it. It was very wet. So our first stop.
We've done 2 trails so far. We're the Spring House Trail. And now we are doing the, I don't know how to pronounce it. Ada High.
Idia high.
Whatever that word is, Falls Trail. So we've done 2 trails so far. Wrong way, Belle.
Luna trying to take the long way. We are doing the Tennessee Rock Trail, 2.2 mile loop. Trail number 3 of the day so far. We're still on the trail.
About a mile in.
It's about to look like this the entire time. Bluebell is enjoying herself, running back and forth. Back and forth.
This is why we can estimate she does at least double what we do.
If not more. Alright, so from 2.5 months ago, I'm still tired, but I don't feel like I need a break. So, making progress on the hiking list, training, expo.
That was the point.
Building up for Teton.
In September.
So making good steps. Literally and physically. Breathing committee one more time. She's leading the way.
Like she's been doing all day.
We've reached the summit.
The Overlook isn't for a little bit further.
Black Rock Mountain, that's told by Luna. Summit elevation, 3,640 feet. Boom.
Georgia State Parks.
All right, we have reached the Overlook. 3,625 feet.
Glad we didn't get here earlier because we probably would have been in a cloud.
Yep. Well, Megan didn't tell me we could just drive to the visitor center.
I didn't know that was the same view.
A little bit different, but pretty much the same.
Different, but the same.
Definitely more residential on this side.
I mean,
But
when you looked out to the left, I believe, of the Overlook, this is what you could see.
yeah. Yeah. Sunday morning, Cowie Overlook. Megan's already ahead of me.
Oh, don't mind.
Cowie Gee, would you look at that view? We're about a half hour away from the campsite. We are at the Rabin trailhead. Lulu's ready to go. That's about a, what, 3.5 mile hike, give or take? Yeah. The trail starts right up on a hill. And it's about 1,000 feet elevation total. We've done it. We've reached the first flat section of the trail. It took us 1.1 miles, but we're at the flat section.
Yeah.
Woo!
So we're thankful for the shade because it's hot out.
I think it's about 15 degrees cooler in the shade.
Almost there.
We're still going up. She okay up there?
Watch that stair.
Okay, she okay up there?
Yeah, she's fine.
Wow.
Oh. And a lot of trees, but it's okay.
You can still see mountains, but it's certainly hazy. Got more mountains over here. Houses. It's beautiful. All right, final look. And we're gonna go down. People can camp here, have a nice little fire. And this is the last look before we go down. Ready to start way back down?
Sure am.
All right, let's go.